everyone! Good morning, or good evening, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video. I am back with another experiment, challenge, whatever you want to call it. But first, I would like to thank Noom for sponsoring this video. Now, in this video, I am going to be doing something very interesting. I am going to be drinking only liquid for 24 hours. That means no solid food for 24 hours. I'm going to try my best to survive off of just liquid. Now, I know the first thing that comes to your mind when I say liquid is water, but there's so many other options other than water, like smoothies, soups, and etc. So no, I'm not going to be only drinking water the entire day, but I'm going to be trying a lot of new smoothie recipes and maybe soup. I don't know, depends on my mood. Now, I'm going to be trying new smoothies, like I said earlier, instead of drinking water the entire day. Because if I drink too much water, it's not good. Yes, water does have some negative effects on us. So drinking too much water could be a health risk. So no. Now, this is a form of detox diet where you only drink liquids for 24 hours, including a lot of vegetables and fruits and nothing else. I am actually very curious to know what is going to happen to my body if I consume only liquid for 24 hours for a day. Like, what is going to change? So you know what, I'm going to film this video and let you guys know what actually happens and how it changes my body, if it does, of course. Now, detoxing is about rebooting your metabolism and getting rid of all the toxins in your body. Now, huge disclaimer, this isn't an approach that Noom approves of, and if you're thinking of trying this detox diet out, please consult your doctor first before actually doing it. Now, you guys already know I'm very much against diets and restrictive dieting and very dangerous diet things. Now, I'm doing all of these for experimental purposes while staying on the safe end. So be safe, kids. Think before you do anything. Anyways, I'm pretty excited to start this challenge because I'm actually very excited to try new smoothies, because if you have been watching my videos for a long time, you already know I always stick to two smoothies, the green one and the strawberry one, and that's all I've been consuming for like the past 6 months. Like, those are the only two smoothies that I actually like. But today I'm gonna be trying new things, something extremely new. I had to search for new smoothie recipes that I would actually like, and I actually found out some very tasty and good looking smoothie recipes, and I am going to share all of them with you guys in this video. Do you ever wonder why you take certain health decisions or why you have to take certain health decisions? If you said yes, you are probably like me. And you know what helped me with that? Noom. Noom is a digital health platform that experts in behavior change, which combines human coaches, psychology, and science to empower people to take control of their own health. Something that I read on Noom that really hit me was, health doesn't happen at the doctor's. Health happens at home. And the fact that Noom creates long-term results through habits and behavior change and not through restrictive dieting is what I like the most about Noom. And all it takes is 10 minutes a day. Since my journey has started, my mindset has completely changed about exercising and dieting. With Noom, you get daily lessons where you get to learn more about health. Now, Noom uses science to help me track and reach my goals. For example, water goals, staying hydrated. Especially when I'm busy with YouTube, I tend to forget to drink water even though I want to drink water, and Noom actually motivates me to drink more water. Noom also has a food and exercise tracker, which I use on a daily. Mostly, I want to give a shout out to my goal coach, goal specialist, which are real people, by the way, who are trained in psychology, fitness, and nutrition, and also my group chat mates that make learning and this entire journey so fun and easy, since we're all so like-minded. If you're interested in checking out Noom, make sure you click the link in my description box below. It's pretty quick and it's easy, and it will help you create your custom plan. Also, once again, I want to thank Noom for sponsoring this video. Good morning, you guys. I am exhausted, although I just woke up, but I'm still exhausted. But we're gonna have breakfast right now, and I'm super excited because it is the first meal of the day, and I'm gonna have smoothies all day today. So I gotta love all the smoothies that I'm gonna be drinking today. Okay, so for breakfast, we're making an orange smoothie. Now, I'm saying orange smoothie because the color of it will probably be orange. So yeah, let's go make that because I'm starving and I really want to eat right now. And I don't have the energy to talk a lot right now. So let's just go make breakfast. Okay you guys, so I have my breakfast ready and I'm pretty excited to try this out because this is my first time trying something that is different than what I usually make. This is supposed to be orange but it's not that orange, so I don't really know why that happened, but oh my goodness, I'm excited to try this out, so let's go. I love this. I love this. So for breakfast, I was actually afraid that because of carrots, my smoothie was not going to taste good. So I just added vanilla protein powder and it tastes amazing. I love this. Okay you guys, so it's like 4 hours past the last time I had breakfast. So it's only been 4 hours and I'm already starving. I'm not that starving, but I am starving at the same time. And I think it's mainly because I am consuming liquid and not solid food. So that's probably why I'm hungry and my body's not used to it. So my body's probably really confused and asking for solid food, but I'm sorry honey, not today. So anyways, we're gonna make lunch right now. Okay, so for lunch we have a banana smoothie. So I am using this almond milk, which has no sugar because today I'm trying to avoid sugar. Okay you guys, so it's time to give it a shot. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it's so delicious. Where were these? Where were these recipes when I was looking for healthy, good, tasty smoothie recipes? I'm so mad. Why haven't I tried these before? These are so good. Okay you guys, so I just got back home from the gym and I did my challenges right now. I was working out as well. And oh my goodness, I feel like so weak. I feel extremely weak. I do not feel the energy, the motivation to do anything right now because I'm hungry and I'm so exhausted. I feel so tired, which is not normal. Usually when I eat food, I feel a lot of energy, especially before gym. But today at the gym, I didn't even do cardio. I was like, you know what, I'm lifting weights and I'm going home and I couldn't get past my usual weights, so which is not normal. So I don't know how I feel about this challenge anymore. It makes me feel weak and I don't like feeling weak. Okay you guys, so what was the whole point of having a detox smoothie diet? What was the whole point of this video? Let me tell you, honestly nothing changed. My weight did go down by 1 kg and I did not bloat the entire day, which is a great thing, but I don't think this is good for long term, so I would definitely and highly not recommend this to do on a daily basis. Just once every 3 months is something that I would do, so I would recommend that. But once again, before doing this, you need to consult your doctor. Please do not put your health at risk. Also, yes, I do have my new hair over here. That's about it for this video. Once again, I will not recommend this challenge video because it's just not good. I was starving the entire day and I really believe that you need to be happy even when you're trying to lose weight, gain weight, anywhere in your fitness journey. You just need to be happy. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I want to say. So you can't be happy while starving, so don't do it. Eat healthy. Whatever you want to do, whatever fitness goals you want to reach, do it the right way, do it the healthy way. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below what videos you guys would love to see in the future, and I will definitely do them. And once again, Noom, thank you for sponsoring this video. And yeah, that's it for this video and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.